Good morning, everyone.
Good
Turn on your
morning, ma'am.
camera.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Marija, turn on your camera. Arnav, may I know the reason why you have not attended my few classes after Diwali?
And because my network was not coming soon.
Network was so you were not attending any of the classes.
No, in between class my network is gone only.
Please make it sure that your network is now proper because online classes are regular now. It is going on, so you will miss the classes and you will suffer with it. Clear?
I will try.
Ma'am, when will offline class start?
I'm not sure. I am not aware about this, but okay. So can I start the class now? Am I visible to you all?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
tell me yes or no because on my screen some are going and coming. So everyone is not visible to me. You have to
Excuse
tell
me,
me whether I
ma'am.
am visible. Yes, Farija.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I use this paper? I don't have that craft paper.
Square paper, I specifically use the word either the math square paper or the graph paper because graph paper also have squares, not any other paper. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's start the
Okay,
class.
let's start the class. Excuse
Here,
me,
mute
ma'am.
yourself, bacha. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm out of space, so I don't have graph paper.
No problem. Just look here. So let's start the class. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, as you all know that.
As you all know that.
Yes, Ahana, please speak.
Ma'am, I am also I am not a graph paper or a square paper.
Okay, you just have to observe and do the activity after the class.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, students, the candidate chapter number 10, play with patterns. In that chapter, we have learned many patterns, different types of patterns. Now we are moving to the next chapter, chapter number 11, tables and shares. Who will tell me what we are going to learn in this table, in this chapter? Tables and shares means what?
Division.
Yes, Arna? Division. Okay.
Division.
Division,
Your
only
division and
division,
division and no, ma'am. Multiplication, division, and we are.
multiplication and division. Shares means we are dividing something, we are sharing something, right? Tables means related with the multiplication tables.
Ma'am,
Okay, happy birthday, Heath.
uh, ma'am, we want to learn 1 to 15 table only. In my,
Yes,
I
not
don't know
only
my
1 to
class
50.
notebook, so tables is there.
Okay,
1 to
so
15.
students, can I say now? So we are going to learn about the multiplication and division in this chapter.
Ma'am,
So
your
before
screen is
moving,
blurred.
it's coming blur. Just a minute. Then let me on with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
another device. Wait a minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'm logging with the another ID.
And your screen is.
Ma'am, this one only no.
Ma'am, now it's perfect.
Look now, please
Keep it aside.
keep it aside. Then I will. Okay. So we are going to learn about the multiplication and division in this chapter. And before moving to the long method of multiplication, I want to explain you some another different methods of multiplications also. Right? There are many different ways through which you can do the multiplication. So now, children, as I told you to bring a math square paper, notebook paper, or a graph paper. So please hold it if you have, or if you don't tear the page from your notebooks, If you have already a paper in your hand, then take a paper. But from the graph notebooks or the other notebook, don't tear the paper, just observe the paper. Now observe it. एक बार आप उसको देखो paper को. After observing that paper, what do you observe about this paper? Raise your virtual hand and give me the answer. जब आपने उसको देखा, so what do you observe when you have seen this paper, the graph paper or the math square notebook paper? So what do you observe? Yes, Prayag.
Ma'am, in my graph book, there are so many squares, and inside also there are squares.
Yes. So what have you observed, students? There are so many squares. Okay. And in graph paper, there are big squares also, and inside the big square, there are so many small squares also. But students, if I tell you to count these all the squares, will it be easy for you to count like fast?
No, ma'am.
You can easily count,
No,
but it
ma'am.
will take time.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? It will take time if I tell you to count. Yes. So without consuming more time, is there any tricks to count them fast? Who will tell me?
Division.
Yes, division is the trick to count them fast.
Multiplication.
But how multiplication? Multiply कैसे करेंगे? Squares को count करना है तो multiply कैसे करना है? Arna, stop eating in the class. Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, first we will count one line, then we will tell that how many lines are there, then we will multiply.
Okay, this is also right. That first you will count the first line, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are there. Right? The lines which you are counting in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are called, you are counting the columns. These are called, you are counting the
Column.
when you are counting in this way, right? This. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are columns. And when you are counting in the sleeping, like this is one, this one line. This is row. This is called row. So if I keep on extending the lines, I'm extending the rows also. So now here are 2 rows. So 2 rows and 8 columns. Can you easily tell me how many squares are there? 2 multiplied by 8 equals to 16. Isn't it easy? Without counting the each square, you have easily multiplied the row and column and counted the squares.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in my this, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 columns. Now, let's see how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 are the rows. I have 13 columns and 19 rows equals to, you can easily find out by multiply them the number of the squares on the page,
Yes,
which will be easy for you to find out very fast.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, instead of counting each square, it will take time. It will be the time consuming activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so by multiplying the rows and columns, the multiplication will be easy for you.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, you don't have to write it, you have to understand. By multiplying the rows and the columns, it will be easy task for you, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
students, see, now here you can interchange about the row and the column also. Just a minute, give me 1 minute. You can either write the row first and the column next. Then also 2 into 8 is also 16. And you can either write the columns first and row second, then also the answer will be same. You can, if you can interchange the numbers, the answers will be
16.
same. Either you can write row first and the column next, or the column first or the row next, then answer will be same. In multiplication,
Okay,
if you change the position of the multiplier and the multiplicand, the product will always come same. Yes, Priyag, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, that you have told na 13 multiplied by 19. So as I got the answer is 307 squares.
Okay, good. So by multiplication, you can easily do this instead of
Yes,
counting each square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, students, the first number in the multiplication is called what? Who will tell me? Because you are learning multiplication from the grade 2, 3. Now,
Multiplier.
yes, only Prayag and Yug. What about the others? Meet, tell me what is the first number?
The multiplier.
No. First number is not the multiplier. Just a minute, huh?
Ma'am, multiplicand.
Let me take the attendance. For who said the answer?
Ma'am, Kavisha.
Yes. First number is multiplicand and the second number is
multiplier.
yes.
And
Second number is just a minute. Huh? Let me save the attendance. Second number is multiplier. If you want to write this line, write it in your notebook. Write the name of the chapter, number, and these terms. The first number is multiplicand. I will erase the board and give you the neat. So that when you open the notebook, you can remember about these terms.
Ma'am, I'm writing in the graph notebook.
No, write in your maths notebook. 8 into 2 is equals to 16. So 8 equals to multiplicand. 8 is multiplicand. 2 means the second number is the multiplier. And the answer is the product in the multiplication. Please write it in your notebooks. These terms, I want you to learn the spellings by heart. Now, children, I am giving you, I will show you something here on the board also. Then I will give you a task to do. Can I erase the board?
No, ma'am, 1 second. No, ma'am.
Okay. Ahana, mute your mic, please. Now I'm going to erase it. Please do it fast.
no, ma'am, you can.
Mute your mic, please. Now, students, I have some squares with me. I'm randomly right now putting them. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on.
You.
Now you can see I have some squares on the board.
Yes,
ma'am.
I have 12 squares. Right now, these are squares, but suppose these are objects or something. These are 12 objects, or these are 12 squares, or these are 12 whatever things you assume. Okay. Assume them these are 12 squares. Okay. I want to arrange them in the row and the column into the different ways. So, how you are going to arrange these 12 squares into row and column? First, tell me how many rows and how many columns I can make. मुझे इनको रो एंड कॉलम में बिठाना है. I don't want to put them like randomly ऐसे ही.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am,
6
6.
what? 6 what?
Rows.
Rows.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, 2 rows and 6 blocks in one.
2 row. Use the terms how many rows and how many columns.
Ma'am, can I say
Yes, Dee, please.
6 rows and 6 columns?
6 rows and 6 columns अगर आप multiply करेंगे तो 6 into 6 will be 36.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, here.
2 rows and 6 columns.
2 rows. Please mute yourself. And you said the 6 columns. Yes, 1, 2. The standing are the columns, sleeping are the rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. My marker is not working because the water is there. And this is 1, 2 rows. So when 2 rows multiply by the 6 columns give you the answer 12. Got it? This way you need to arrange them. Tell me more different ways how you are going to arrange this 12 objects.
Ma'am, like 6 rows and 2 columns.
Very good. 6 rows. अब 6 rows हो गई है ना? 6 rows means sleeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 columns. Standing are the columns. This is also the one way of arranging the 12 objects.
Ma'am, 3 columns, 3 rows.
3 columns and 3 rows.
3 rows.
Ma'am, can I say?
3 columns and 3 rows. 3 into 3
3
is 9.
columns and 4 rows.
Yes, 3 or it can be 3 rows and 4 columns, or 4 rows and 3 columns. Means आपको ultimately कहने का मतलब ये है the 12 is coming in which table?
Ma'am, 4 column.
Start from 2 multiply by 4 columns and
Yes, ma'am.
4 columns and
Ma'am,
2
in
rows.
1,
नहीं,
2.
4 columns और 2 rows अगर हो जाएंगे तो 4 into 2 करोगे तो 8 होता है.
Ma'am, 4
rows and 3.
4 rows.
Rows and 3 columns.
Yeah, 4 rows and 3 columns तो board पे visible है. Yes. And you can say that the 4 columns and 3 rows.
3 rows.
3 rows and 4 columns.
Columns.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Dean.
Yes, ma'am. From which tables is for 1
Yeah,
second?
you can arrange into the 1 multiply by 2 means 1 row and 12 columns भी तो होता है बच्चा.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
into 12 is 12.
Table, 2
Yeah.
table, 3
So
table.
I'm not asking that 1 table and 2 table. 1 के table में how many times the 12 is coming? 1 into 12 is 12. So
Ma'am.
1 row and 12
Ma'am, can I
columns.
tell you?
12, ma'am, 12 times.
Yes. So 1 row and 12 column.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
2 rows, 6 columns.
Column.
Yeah, 2 rows, 6 columns.
3 row, 4
2
columns.
3
4
row,
row,
4
3
columns.
columns.
Yeah. why this अभी तो इसका use नहीं दिखेगा इतना because these are small numbers. Because when I give you like there are 300 people in the theater, right? You go for movies and other, there are different types of theaters also, not only movie theater. Sitting arrangement जहाँ होता है आपको people 300 people को rows and columns में बिठाना है. What are the different ways of arranging them in the different row and the column? Tell me.
Ma'am,
100 row and 200 column.
100
Yeah.
row,
200
100 row
column.
and 200 column को multiply करोगे, it will be 2000. It will be more than 2000, 20,000. 100 into 200.
Can I say?
Tell me how many rows and how many columns you will make for the 300
Ma'am, the
people.
column will be 100 and the row will be 3.
Yes, column will be 100 and the row will be 300. Very good.
Ma'am, column will be 3 and rows will be 100.
Column, yeah, ulta bhi iska opposite. Column will be 3 and the row
Ma'am,
will be 100.
column. One
Or
minute, ma'am.
any other way? Any other way?
Ma'am, 1 multiplied by 300 is equal to?
Also 1 row and 300 columns. एक ही लाइन में बिठा दिया आपने सबको, है ना? 1 row and 300 columns बना दिया.
Ma'am, 50 rows and 6 columns.
So
6 columns.
see,
Can I say
basically to explain this thing, you know what is the motive? कि अगर आपको बहुत सारे लोग भीड़ में काउंट करने हैं या बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ फटाफट काउंट करनी है, तो आपने एक बार रो में और एक बार कॉलम में काउंट कर दिया और मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो योर आंसर विल कम easily instead of counting one by one. Okay, now most of the students are having laptop, right? They have keys on their laptop. Count the number of keys in the rows first. How many number of keys in the row first? कितनी keys है रो में? 10 नहीं है, गलत अर्नव.
26.
No, I'm talking about how many in the row.
Ma'am,
सिर्फ
6.
आगे से काउंट करनी है आपको.
Ma'am,
सिर्फ आगे से.
Ma'am, 6 rows and 16 columns.
6 rows है आपके पास और कॉलम्स में कितने कीज हैं?
17.
Ma'am,
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18.
Yes.
18 keys है, right?
Ma'am, I am
No,
26.
you do one thing. एक minute. Delete
and there
keys.
are 19.
Will you listen me, everyone? रो में तो क्या है, सीक्वेंस में है, so you counted there are 6 keys in the rows, right? But when you go to the column, कुछ keys missing है, so only count till delete key. How many keys are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 keys मेरे में है. आपके में कितने?
Ma'am, 16.
16.
Ma'am, even though me 16.
Me also 16.
Okay. Suppose हाँ, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इज कि रो में कितनी है और कॉलम में कितनी है, अगर आपको मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो आपके उस एरिया की जो पूरा स्क्वायर बन रहा है, रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है, वो पूरी कीज टोटल काउंट कर सकते हो आप. गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट? नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल. You children are there on the screen, right? Instead of counting each and every one, what will I do? I will count how many are in the row. 3. Suppose 3 are in the row, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are in the column. 8 into 3 is 24 total. But 1 is missing in one of the column or the row, so that's the reason answer exactly not coming. But if you take 3 rows and 8 columns, your answer will be exactly
24.
matched. So instead of counting each and every single child, I just counted the row and the column. I easily got the answer. Is it correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this the easy method of doing the multiplication?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, I am giving you a task. Suppose there you went somewhere At home also you have organized some party or something, you have 20 peoples, arrange them in the different ways. कैसे कैसे आप उनको रो और कॉलम में बिठा सकते हो? Tell
Ma'am,
me and find out the answer.
excuse me, ma'am, can I
Yes,
Prayag?
yes, Prayag. Yeah.
10 rows and 10 rows and 10 columns.
बेटा सबसे पहले आप 1 से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. 1 रो और 20 कॉलम्स अगर आप करोगे तो 20 आएगा. 20 रोज और 1
Ma'am,
कॉलम
2
करोगे तो भी 20 आएगा.
Ma'am, 2 rows, 10 columns.
2 rows, 10 columns, 20.
4 rows, 5 columns.
4 rows, 2 columns.
4 row, 5 column.
4 row and 5 columns.
Arnav Desai is coming from after so many days in the class, no? That's why he don't know the class rule. Four rows, 5 columns. Each child, please raise your hand. I'll give you a chance to speak. Yes, Varinya.
Ma'am, 5 rows, 4 columns.
Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, 10 rows, 2 columns.
अब आप क्या करो, इतनी सारे आपने मुझे एग्जाम्पल्स दे दिए. प्लीज टेक आउट योर स्क्वायर नोटबुक और द मैथ्स नोटबुक एंड make like this. Wait a minute, I'll show you. I'm not finding the paper. I'll show you on the board. 20. I want to arrange them into 2 into 10. So what I will do, I will make 2 rows and 10 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have the squares already in your notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You already have the squares. You just have to cover the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make a table like this and make placement of the people like this. Show me practically in your graph notebook or in your maths notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but in our graph notebook there are small.
Take big squares only.
Okay.
Big square as a 1 square.
So
not
we
the
have
small.
to do a full graph paper.
No, in the middle of the paper. No, आप ऐसे एक टेबल बनाओ.
Ma'am, of
ये तो
20
एक
only,
way
no?
है. हाँ,
Ma'am,
ये
can
एक-
I make 2-3 tables?
First make this. This is the one way. I'm telling you all the different ways अब आपको बनाने. ये एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है. 20 को आप डिफरेंट वेज में कैसे अरेंज कर सकते हो वो सब मुझे दिखाओ. For example, I will take 4 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 1, 2, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and I make them placement like this. So one is this and another is this. So all the different ways, जिस तरीके से आप arrange कर सकते हो, please place them with the different ways and show me. Why I am doing this? Because when you open your textbook,
Ma'am, I've done.
page number, wait a minute, Dheer, I will ask. When you open your page number 120 in your textbook, there is a Shama's garden and Shama was having 18 flowers. What she has done, she arranged the 18 flowers in the different ways. First, she has taken, who will give me how she has taken with the first example? See the first example here. See how the flowers are arranged. How many rows and how many columns are there? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, can I Yug?
No, I don't want only the Yug and Prayag give me the answer.
Can you tell the
Ahana, where are you? You don't have a textbook with you?
No, ma'am, I have.
Open in your textbook, page number 120. Open in your textbook, page number 120 and tell me the first picture of, first picture of arranging the flowers. How many rows and how many columns are there? You can see there are 3 different ways of arrangement of the flowers. Why silent? Why all are silent? Raise your virtual hand, students, and tell me how many rows. Yes, Jania. Yes, Jania, tell me. Yes, Dheer, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking out the book and taking out the page.
Who is ready? Kiana. First
Yes,
arrangement of the flowers, there are how many rows and how many columns?
Ma'am, I was asking you the page number because when you were saying.
120.
Okay.
आपको ये नहीं पता कि नेक्स्ट चैप्टर कौन से पेज से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? Why you children ask the same thing every day? Yes, Meet.
Ma'am, I can say
3 columns, 6 rows.
फर्स्ट पिक्चर ये है जो स्लीपिंग में है सारे.
Ma'am, I can say
6 rows.
कैसे? स्लीपिंग में है सारे, एक लाइन में.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Dheer.
Yes, ma'am. One column.
No, it is one row.
Ma'am, I can
1 row and 18 columns.
Yes, one row. You can see this is one row and the 18 columns.
Ma'am, can I tell the second one?
Sleeping is the one row ना, so sleeping are the rows. तो एक ही row है sleeping में. Columns and standing, there are 18 columns. Kiana, tell me the second one now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 columns and.
Ma'am, I can
rows.
Yes, very good. 3 columns and 6
6
rows.
rows.
So 3 multiplied by 6 is also 18. Then again she has an idea of arranging in the different way. Who will tell me? This third one here. Third one.
Yes. 2 rows, 8 columns.
2 rows, 8 columns will be 16.
Ma'am.
He speak.
Ma'am,
Count करो columns कितने. Here again count the columns. Rows are correct. 2 rows. Column कितने हैं? Who will tell me? Yes, please tell me.
9.
Yes. 9 rows नहीं है, columns है. मीत columns है. अभी भी आप row और column में confuse हो.
Ma'am, can I say 2 row and 9 columns?
lines है. Sleeping lines कितनी है? 2 sleeping lines है, तो वो 2 rows है. Standing lines में कितने हैं? Standing में 9, तो वो columns है.
9.
Right? I will give you a easy example. रेल की पटरी देखी है आपने? ट्रैक देखा है रेल का? वो स्लीपिंग होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो रो में होता है. बिजली के खंबे देखे हैं, लाइट के
Yes,
that
ma'am.
are columns. Always
Columns.
remember. Right?
Okay.
So standing, column, sleeping, rows. तो कितनी sleeping है? 2 sleeping है, तो वो rows है. Right?
Ma'am, 2 rows and 9 columns.
Yes. And now one more thing I want to tell you, as you have all learned that 8 into 2 also 16 and 2 into 8 also
8
16.
is also 16.
Yes, interchanging the number. एक और property है multiplication में, that 9 multiplied by 1 equals to
9.
9. When any number multiplied by 1 give you the same whether it is कितना भी big number क्यों ना हो. 1693 multiplied by 1 give you the same answer.
And
Any
1
number multiplied by 1 give you the number itself, same answer. And
Ma'am,
any
can I
number
say
multiplied by 0 Any number multiply by
भैया?
0? फिर वो कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो इक्वल्स टू 0. कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो इक्वल्स टू 0. Suppose I am multiplying 9654 multiplied by 0. Answer will be 0. Now one more method of multiplication. This, suppose if I am giving you 9 multiplied by 600. So before going to the big method of multiplication, what you have to do is multiply 9 with the 6.
9 multiplied by 6.
Number multiply,
And
wait a minute
0.
here. Number multiply by the number. 9 multiply by 6. What is the answer? 50.
54
And add the
plus
two
the
zeros.
2 0 equal to 5400.
5400.
Suppose both the sides 600 plus 200. Both the sides are the 0. 6 multiplied by 2.
8. So
12.
it will be
2 zeros of 600. 2 zeros of 200.
200.
so it will be 12 lakhs.
6
और कर
into 12. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh.
Ma'am, it's
1 lakh
20,000.
20,000.
तो इतना बड़ा मल्टीप्लीकेशन हमने कितना क्विकली कर दिया, just by multiplying the number with the number, and we did it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the concept. Please learn how to multiply the numbers which is having zeros. I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the same concept. Please join the HRM daily, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day.